In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to total a full column using a simple formula and where to place that result so it's easy to find and reuse. Start by opening Smartsheet and heading to Home. This is your central hub, and it's the quickest way to get to your work. If you're beginning fresh, choose to start a new project, program, or process. This creates the environment where your sheet will live. If Smartsheet shows a suggested area, you can use that to jump into something you've worked on recently. Otherwise, switch to all workspaces so you can see everything you have access to. From all workspaces, select the workspace that contains your sheet. Then open the specific sheet where you want the total to appear. Once the sheet loads, click into the row where you want the formula result to live. Many teams use a designated summary row at the top or bottom of the sheet. If your sheet already has one of those, that's a great place to put the total. The key is to choose a single cell that will display the final sum for the entire column. Now type the formula, enter an equals sign, then sum, and select the column you want to total. In Smartsheet, the quickest way is to click the column header so the formula references the entire column. You'll see something like SUM, amount, where the name inside the brackets matches your column. If you need to, you can also click and drag to select a specific range within that column, but choosing the full column ensures the total updates automatically as new rows are added. When you're ready, apply the formula to confirm it. Smartsheet will calculate instantly and display the total in the cell you selected. If you see an error, double-check that the column you're summing is formatted as a number or currency and that the formula references the column name exactly. Text or blank cells in a numeric column are ignored by sum, so you don't need to clean out every empty row. A quick tip: if this total is important to your team, consider placing it in a clearly labeled summary area and keeping the formula cell protected so it isn't changed accidentally. And remember, the total will update automatically as your data changes. That's it. You went to Home, opened your workspace and sheet, chose the row for the result, typed the sum formula, and applied it. Save your sheet and you're done.